Jacob here with Sarracenia Northwest, and this is your Carnivorous Plant Care Guide for April 2026. Happy spring! Here at our nursery in Oregon, spring has arrived early. Our Sarracenia flava, Oreophila, and their hybrids are already sending up flower buds. 20 to 30 years ago, these early season plants would wake up in late April. But during the past several years, they've been waking up in mid and late March. It's a trend we're seeing, plants emerging from dormancy earlier and earlier. Even some of the late season plants such as Sarracenia leucophila are waking up early. Hardy sundews such as Drosophila and Dichotoma are also waking up early and quite rapidly. Flytraps, however, are still dormant. They wake up usually a month after Sarracenia. Given our current weather patterns, we expect to see them waking up by the end of the month. Darlingtonia is typically the last to wake up. They like to sleep in, so we might not see any new growth until mid-May. Now is also a good time to divide your Sarracenia and repot them into larger pots. Do this before new growth occurs. That way you don't damage them. It also gives the plants more time to recover from the division. Now, if you need a tutorial on spring care for your Sarracenia, we have several videos you can check out. The links are in the description below. Spring is also a time of unpredictable weather with heavy rain, thunderstorms, hail, and a late season frost. Now, these weather conditions won't kill your outdoor perennials, but they can erode the soil and damage new growth. While our mother plants remain outside throughout the year, our sales plants are sheltered in a cold frame. There isn't any heat in there. Its main purpose is to protect these plants from thunderstorms and hail. These plants are also our stock for the 2026 growing season. They're second season divisions. We divided them last spring and matured them for a year. This means you get a plant with a fuller set of pitchers when compared to a recent division. So if you're looking to add a Sarracenia to your collection, consider one of these mature plants. They will arrive at your home already potted with detailed growing instructions. Visit our website, growcarnivorousplants.com, for a complete inventory. In the tropical greenhouse, the tropical plants are enjoying the extra sunlight during spring. Sundews are growing faster and producing lots of dew. Some butterworts are waking up from their winter rest. Some butterworts, however, didn't need a winter rest and they are already displaying a full set of leaves. Nepenthes and Helianthera are growing well and producing new pitchers. The Helianthera we divided last month are acclimating nicely. With all of your tropical plants, clip off the dead and dried leaves as they occur. This will minimize mold spores from sprouting out. If your Nepenthes has dried pitchers and you can't stand looking at them, just clip them off at the tip of the leaf. Also make sure that your plants have sufficient water and sunlight. While we're on the topic of tropical plants, make sure to watch our 2 videos about Nepenthes that we released in mid-March. The first one is part 2 of the humidity myth. We talk about the benefits and risks of high humidity. The second one is about troubleshooting pitcherless Nepenthes. You can find the link to these videos in the description below. Now, if you're in the Portland area, check out our events calendar. The Spring Garden Fair happens in the first weekend of May, and we're prepping some wonderful plants to kick off the growing season. You can also visit the nursery at one of our scheduled open houses where you can see these plants up close and in person. We'll also have plants available only at our open houses. These include large Helianthera divisions like Godzilla and Nepenthes cuttings such as Lowii cross truncata. Visit our website for more information about our open houses. And while you're on our website, check out the inventory for the 2026 growing season. We have a new crop of Sarracenia, flytraps, and hardy sundews. We'll also be adding more outdoor perennials throughout May and June. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.